Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. We are discussing climate chapter. In that, today we are going to discuss the season. In India, we are having a different types of the seasons in all over the world also. Those are hot weather season, winter season, and rainy season. So when we see these, generally, the weather condition, it will be changes uh, in a particular areas. It is a differ one place to another place. So when we are noticeable, when we see these in our country, in a peninsular place, that is in a southern part of our country, that is a coastal area, it does not experience variation in temperature throughout the year, and there is a variation in a rainfall pattern also because of the humid climate in that place. And when we see these forest areas also, where the more forests are there, the sticky climatical condition we can see, and unfortunate rainfall we can experience in a where more forestry areas. In our country, we have mainly four seasons. We are the identifying in our country the cold weather season, the hot weather season, and the advancing monsoon, that is rainy season, and another one the retreating monsoon with the some regional variation. So yesterday we had discussed about in a different areas they are experiencing different uh, month rainfall. So that one we are it will be changes one place to another place in a same season, in a month wise and area wise it will be changed because of the main two important huge water resources, those are Arabian Sea and Bay of the Bengal. So first one we'll discuss, that is the cold weather season, that is it is known also winter. So cold weather season, it will be start from mid November in a northern, and it will be up to February, it will be present in a northern part of India. And in a December and January, it will be coldest month in the northern part of the India. So when temperature decreases in a southern part, and average temperature here or temperature of a Chennai on the eastern coast in between a 24 degree to 25 degree Celsius. Eh, when we see in the northern plains, it will be in between 10 degrees Celsius and 15 degree Celsius. Days are warm and nights are cold. And forest in a common in a northern and means foggy we can see in these area because of higher slopes in a Himalayan in a northern part of our country. In a Himalayans they will experience snow fall in a winter season. During this season in a northeast, uh, trade winds they are in prevalent in over the country. They blow the land of sea, and the most of the country they are the having a dry season, that is a winter season. And some part of Tamil Nadu they will experience rainfall, and the coast from these winds they will bring some rainfall in Tamil Nadu also. And northern part of the country, that is high pressure regions, they are the developing light winds moving towards to the areas, and they are the influence and experiencing, that is a wind will be blow to through the Ganga valleys to the east and western east and northeast areas, and they will experiencing that is very low temperature and clear sky, low humid, and these normal winds they are the experiencing. So when we see this characterization or the characteristics of these cold weather or winter season in the northern plains, inflow of cyclonic distributions we can see in that west part and as well as northwest. Now at present, if you see the examples of the last month, the Assam is and the flood we can see, and the some places of the southern part of the India also they are experienced cyclones. Those are the examples we can see. And these low pressure system, that is organic and Mediterranean seas and Western Asia, sorry, Mediterranean Sea and Western Asia, and move into the India. That is a low pressure system when we see that. Along with that, the westerly flow, which one is basis on the Mediterranean Sea and Western Asia, it will be moved towards to the our country, and they cause much needed winter rains in overall the plains and snowfall in the mountains. And total amount of the winter rainfall, it is known as Mahawatt in a small. And the important thing, that is the cultivation, the crops in these cold weather season, that is a rabi crops, they will grow. Yes, we can recall the which are the rabi crops also. And in the regions of the peninsular, they are having well defined cold season in these, that is in a southern part, and there is the hardly any noticeable seasonal changes, that is in a temperature pattern in during the winter season, moderating influence to the in a sea areas, in a coastal areas. The overall we can see this weather of cold, that is cold weather season in a winter season in a whole country it will be experienced, but the duration of the months and the high and low pressure systems, it will be changes, as well as where the coastal lines are there, where dry lands are there, where more trees are there, it will weather condition it will be changes, but climate it will be remains same, that is a cold weather season. For the reference you can refer 9th grade textbook. Thank you.